Alright guys, this is Chuck from B4. This is a recap of a trade we ran in a recent session with B4 CoPilot. Just as a disclaimer, this is recorded and narrated in post. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching our channel. Please watch this video to the end as it helps our ratings. In our last preview of B4 CoPilot version 4.0, we showed you some of its powerful features, including the delta momentum bars and the order flow exhaustion signals. In this video, we're going to take things a step further and show you how we use them in a live trade example. When we arm CoPilot, it's important to note that it has powerful trend detection features. The background is colored to show the current trend, and CoPilot will only auto-enter trades in the trending direction with a high probability entry. Alright, we are armed, and notice the stacked and balanced there at our demand zone. And there we go, we have our order flow exhaustion signal firing to the bullish side. We're waiting for CoPilot to auto-enter us long here. We need that trend direction background to change. As soon as that happens, we should get an entry. Okay, here we go. Now there is a little congestion in this area. Let's go ahead and draw a supply zone there. Looking for a target. Okay, there's a stacked imbalance. Alright, and there's our entry. We're now 4 contracts long. Adjust our first take profit there just a little. Looking left. We're going to go ahead and maximize our potential. Alright, there goes our order flow exhaustion signal. Giving us some confidence to the bullish side there. We'll go ahead and guard there right behind it. We also have that stacked imbalance right there. Okay, it's fighting right here. We'll go ahead and make our last stand right there. Alright, we'll let that go ahead and take us out. $758. Thanks to the powerful features of B4 CoPilot version 4.0 and NinjaTrader's ATM strategy, we were able to identify this trade and take advantage of the market's momentum. With CoPilot on your side, we're confident in our ability to succeed in the markets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed our video today. Please like and subscribe to be sure to see more content like this.